Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sapphire Radeon RX 7900XTX and 7900XT graphics cards. So friends, the Radeon RX 7900 series cards from Sapphire have now been listed on their official US store, and friends, the company has confirmed it will release two models based on AMD reference design. So friends, the AMD Radeon RX 7900XTX features full Navi 31 GPU with 6144 stream processor, 384 TMUS and 192 ROPS, and this GPU is also equipped with 96 ray tracing units, and this flagship SKU features 24 GB of GDDR6 memory clocked at 20 Gbps with a memory bus speed of 384 bit, and this provides a bandwidth up to 960 GB per second. And friend, the AMD Radeon RX 7900XT is equipped with cut down Navi 31 GPU, and the core count for this card have been reduced to 5376 and memory to 20 GB across 320 bit bus. And friend, there is also no word on official pricing, but according to AMD, this MBA card should cost $999 and $899. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.